Augustine, Florida, the nation's oldest continuously occupied European settlement. St. Augustine is not only rich in history, but it's also rich in something else: mold, mildew, and algae. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how Simix Solutions has helped to eliminate that problem for many people here in St. Augustine, and also being greener in that process. Follow me as we go down some of the projects we have treated, and I explain our technology to you so you can understand how you can take your home or business to be a greener place. This is the historical Treasury Street. Treasury Street was used by the Spaniards to rush their treasures from the armory down to the bayfront. Treasury Street has historically been a green street, meaning green with algae. Since this has been treated 3 years ago, there has not been one bit of algae regrowth on this wall, simply through UV light and water vapor, which we'll explain later. Here we are at the Espinosa Sanchez house, built in 1756, mainly out of coquina. Coquina is a very porous material that attracts microbial growth. Since it's been treated with Simix Solutions, there have been no microbial growth on this building whatsoever all the way around. Let me explain to you how Simix Solutions works. Simix Solutions coatings are encapsulated with nanoparticles of titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide is commonly found in sunblocks, toothpaste, paints, items that we use every day. The interesting thing about titanium dioxide is that when exposed to UV light and water vapor, meaning humidity or rain, it constantly produces a microscopic molecule of hydrogen peroxide. Therefore, any treated area that has the product on there will remain clean of any microbial growth such as mold, mildew, or green algae. Now, part of this photocatalytic process actually breaks down nitrous oxides. Nitrous oxides are what the byproduct is of fossil fuels. In other words, anything treated with Simix Solutions is also reducing greenhouse gases. We also eliminate the use of pressure washing, therefore saving thousands of gallons of water on treated areas. Also, the fossil fuel that it takes to run a pressure washer. In other words, a totally green product designed to help our environment. As you can see on this area here, black mold in coquina. This is an untreated area. Now, what we did to test our product out over 3 years ago, we treated areas of coquina without even cleaning it. Through the UV light and water vapor, meaning rain or humidity, these areas that we have treated remain clean, as we're going to show you right now, areas that have cleaned themselves. This area here was treated without cleaning. Just through UV light and water vapor and rain, this area naturally cleaned itself with the titanium dioxide nanoparticles. NP self-cleaning technology. This coquina block on our right-hand side here is completely clean. Simply treated with the TiO2, the UV light and the water vapor cleaned that block to the place it's at now. To your left, you'll see the state of the block before it was treated. So therefore, any area that you clean and treat will remain clean and stay clean without the constant repressure washing of an area. This natural red brick floor has also been treated with one of our coatings. Not only does the floor remain easier to clean, it stays cleaner longer and is also photocatalytically reacting even with artificial UV light. These sidewalks here were treated over 3 years ago. They remain clean, therefore bypassing 3 pressure washing cycles, saving over 15,000 gallons of water a year on this project alone. On this shell dash building treated over 3 years ago, 1 block from the beach, it remains immaculate all the way around. Not only the building, the pavers were treated as well. It remains spotless all the way around, not one bit of microbial growth. So therefore, as we've shown you over the last few minutes, how Simix Solutions has no gimmicks, no smokes and mirrors, just a new technology that helps buildings to stay cleaner longer, easier to clean, easier to maintain, and also our product actually helps reduce greenhouse gases. Thank you very much for tuning in with Simix Solutions.
For more information on the products and the technology, go to simixsolutions.com. If you're interested in finding an applicator in your area or want to know how to become one, fill out the information form on the website and someone will contact you.